Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the concept of abstract class in object-oriented programming. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in object-oriented programming and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, abstract class is basically a very fundamental concept in object-oriented programming, and you can say an abstract class is basically a blueprint, or you can say a basic guideline for other classes. We know that class in object-oriented programming is basically consist of two things: the attributes, properties, and the methods and behaviors. Abstract class is very special class uh, in object-oriented programming because the object of that class cannot be created. Uh, you can say it cannot be instantiated by its own self, and typically or not generally it contains a abstract method. Abstract method means that it has a method which doesn't have any body, but the class or the subclass, which is basically, you can say, the child subclass, which basically extending from the main class or the parent class, has to provide the declaration or the specification of that class. Subclasses basically concept means that these are the child classes, or you can say the extended classes. So extended classes basically provide the implementation or the definition of the abstract method. Let me give you an example so that you can have more idea about it. Abstract class basically is declared using the abstract keyword. So this is the abstract class. Okay, why? Because it has the keyword abstract here. It may contain abstract method, like this is the abstract void draw, this is the abstract method, and regular concrete method like void resize, this is a normal method. Abstract method are declared without providing an implementation, like see abstract void draw. It doesn't have any implementation, it doesn't have any open bracket or close bracket, any source code not mentioned here under this method. So this is the abstract class. It is starting with the keyword abstract. This is the abstract void draw, this is the abstract method, and it doesn't have any implementation mentioned here, that what it does. So the class shape is an abstract class. It has a abstract method draw, and it has a normal or general method resize. Now the abstract methods are declared in abstract class without providing a method body. Subclass must provide the concrete implementation for all abstract methods. Abstract method define a contract that the subclass must adhere to. Now the subclass. For example, this is the subclass of a circle. Subclass basically is a class which is the extending from the shape. Like we know the concept of inheritance, whenever we extend a class from the parent class or the base class, the child class or subclass has all the attributes and methods of the main class of the parent class, and it can override the methods as well. So basically whenever we are extending, basically we are using the concept of inheritance here actually. Now the subclass circle, which is extending from the shape class, it basically give you the definition of the void draw, system.out.print drawing a circle. See here, from here, see the draw is the abstract class or abstract method. Okay, it doesn't have any body. Now this is the shape class, base class. Now the shape, now this circle is the extended or the base class from the shape class, and it gives you the definition of the draw method. Okay, so this is the concept of the abstract class. Means that the abstract is a class, and whichever class which is extending from the base class, it must have to give the definition of the abstract method. Draw is the abstract method which basically define here. When you are extending the circle from the shape class, you must have to define the draw method because it is the abstract method in the base class. Instantiation. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated directly. You can only create instances of their concrete subclasses. Okay, like it cannot be directly instantiated. Abstract classes can have constructors, and the constructor of the concrete subclass is responsible for calling the constructor of the abstract class. What are the uses of the abstract class? Abstract classes are useful when you want to provide a common interface for a group of related classes. They allow you to define common behavior in the abstract class and leave specific details to be implemented by the subclass. Abstract classes are often used to achieve abstraction and code reusability. Let me give an example, more example here. This is the abstract class shape, this is the abstract method draw, and this is the normal method resize. Okay, system.out.println resizing the shape. Another class, this is the abstract class here. Now the circle class extend from the shape, inheritance concept here. So because it is extending from the shape class, this abstract class, so we must have to we must have to provide the implementation of the draw method, otherwise you will get a compiler here. Another class square is extending from the shape class. Okay, and then inheritance concept. So again, this is the class in which we must have to define, we must have to provide the implementation of the draw method. Okay, then public class main, public static void main, shape circle is equal to new circle. See, we are creating an object of the circle class here. Okay, try to understand. Then circle dot draw, when we call circle dot draw, it will call this method, this draw method. Okay, not because this is the abstract method, it will call this method. When we call circle dot resize, so it will call this method because it is the base class. Then again, shape square is equal to new square. Okay, we are creating an object of the this square class. Then when we call square dot draw, it will call this draw. When we call square dot resize, it will call this method. Okay, are you getting the point that how it's actually works? So this is the concept of abstract class, in which we just define the abstract methods, and in the class which is basically extending from the base class, it must has to define the methods. In this example, both circle and square are subclasses of the shape class abstract class. They provide concrete implementation for the draw method, and the resize method is inherited from the abstract class. Abstract classes play a crucial role in designing and implementing hierarchies in object-oriented programming, providing a way to structure code and enforce a common interface across related classes here. Let me give you another example. Like this is the abstract class animal. It has a string name, animal string name, this dot name. Okay, so see, this is the constructor. Normally the structure has the same name of the animal with the class name. Okay, then abstract void main, abstract void make sign. So this is the abstract method. Then void sleep, this is the normal general method here. Then class dog extend from the animal class, and it has a method dog string name super name. Then void make sound. So make sound here, see, this is the abstract method. We are basically providing implementation of the abstract method here. Then class cat extend from the animal class. So again, inheritance concept here. Cat string name, this is the constructor. Then void make sound, this is the system. Again, this is the, see, this is the abstract method. We are redefining, we are providing implementation of the make sound abstract method here. Then in the public class animal test, we are creating animal dog is equal to new dog. We are creating an object of the this class dog, okay, which is extended from the animal class. When we call dog dot make sound, so it will call this method. Okay, when we call dog dot sleep, it will call this method. Again, animal cat is equal to new cat. We are creating an object of this cat class. Okay, when we call cat dot make sound, it will call this make sound. Call cat dot sleep, it will call the base class method, this method. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.